All right, we're now talking with Eric Rojak, who is Vice President of Sales at Thrush Aircraft. Eric, thanks for talking with me at the show.
Welcome.
What I'd like to know is the history of the company. Tell me about Thrush.
Well, we are Thrush Aircraft. We're based in Albany, Georgia. We've been manufacturing agricultural aircraft since 1965. So we have a full-service manufacturing facility at our factory. So every single piece of aluminum, metal, and steel is all manufactured in-house. So that's one of the wonderful things about Thrush Aircraft, and what makes a Thrush is the fact of our quality and our workmanship is all done in-house.
So how long have you guys been in the business?
Since 1965.
And how many airplanes do you have in service?
Well over 2,000 airplanes.
That's amazing. And they're all pretty much in North America?
No, actually 70% of our business right now is international. So U.S. is obviously the largest agricultural market, but 70% of our business is international. The emerging markets right now are South America, Australia, and now the Asian markets are taking off.
In South America, you run into Embraer much as a competitor?
Embraer to Ipanema is an excellent airplane, but we are now turbine powered. We're much bigger in regards to hopper capacity, so we're over 3 times more efficient than the Ipanema. So it's a very good airplane, but we're turbine powered, and we're in a step or class above in regards to efficiency of the aircraft. So the bigger the field, the bigger the airplane, and now we're more efficient as we grow.
You guys have an unusual situation. You offer engine choices. Tell me about that.
Well, we don't call it unusual. We call adapting to the customer market. We're very fortunate. We have 2 wonderful partners within Pratt & Whitney and GE Aviation. And we whatever the customer particular needs they need, that's what we adapt to the power plant. So every industry, every market needs competition, and now we finally have that in the turboprop industry.
So if I were to buy one of your airplanes, how would I make an engine choice? What would be the driver?
Well, we educate you in particular in regards to your market. Is it performance? Is it support? And what's really best for you? So we're usually the 2 things that will drive the engine choice. Is it performance driven or is it support driven? And you can dictate that. Pratt & Whitney has a wonderful history and support network, and GE is growing now that network of support around their engine too. So we're in a good position within the industry, because who's advantaging from this is from the market, is from the consumers, and now they're getting 2 engine manufacturers that are doing that.
Okay, last question. If we look 5 years out, in terms of the technology of your airplane and this industry, what do you think is going to happen?
Well, the biggest thing that's going on right now in our industry is becoming as efficient as we can to meet the demands of the growers. So the technology with the equipment, the power plant, the airplane, to get as efficient we can to cover, because the biggest thing that's our needs within our industry, we got a growing world population, and we got to produce more per every acre that we're growing. So the advancements in technology will continue to advance.
What about GPS? I'm hearing a lot about GPS as a means to distribute product. Is that a big thing for you guys too?
So an everyday ag airplane comes standard with the GPS equipment. So every single acre is being tracked in regards to GPS. You use a GIS map. And so now we have precision accuracy in regards to auto on and off of field boundaries. It has variable rate applications for field hotspots. So we're able to give precision agriculture, precision spraying, which our customers demand.
So you guys on the same digital track everybody else is?
That's correct.
Thank you, sir.
That's excellent.